The Government of Saint Lucia has officially launched the seventh round of the Multiple Indicator Cluster Survey MICS-7, signaling a renewed national commitment to data-driven policy and social development. The event brought together key stakeholders from government, UNICEF and civil society to mark the start of an intensive phase of training and data collection that will generate vital statistics on the well-being of children and women across the island. Implemented by the Central Statistical Office, CSO, for the Department of Economic Development and Youth Economy, MICS-7 is being conducted with technical and financial support from UNICEF under the guidance of the Ministry of Equity, Social Justice and Empowerment.
We see the MICS-7 initiative as integral to our mandate through sharpening the design of social programs, improving the targeting and delivery of services, supporting our commitment to rights-based child-centered development, and allow us to track better progress toward national, regional, and international development goals. We particularly look forward to indicators related to child protection, disability, early childhood development, access to social services, and other indicators directly related to those the most vulnerable among us.
MICS is not a one-time survey, but rather a prolonged study that paints an irreplaceable picture of how the lives of diverse populations change over time. The MICS provides countries with a framework to assess their populations and address their needs. It also allows for comparison between Saint Lucia and other developing countries.
MICS-7 will feature specialized questionnaires tailored for women and children with further customization for different age groups. Following the launch, a cohort of 40 trainees have embarked on a 28-day intensive training program to prepare for nationwide data collection. The training is being led by experts from St. Lucia and UNICEF, covering critical subject areas such as mental health, maternal health, immunization, violence against women, water quality testing, and nutrition. Fieldwork will follow immediately after the training concludes, supported by 5 well-equipped survey teams.
MICS empowers policymakers, civil society organizations, and development partners to make informed decisions. It helps us to track progress, identify disparities, and allocate resources where they are most needed. It is a tool for equity, transparency, and accountability.
Providence Ford also noted that MICS-7 introduces expanded content to track progress on 40 Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, and lauded St. Lucia's leadership in regional data collection efforts. The implementation of MICS-7 marks a strong reboot from the disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic in 2019, which temporarily paused the country's MICS activities. Since resuming in 2023, national partners have been actively engaged in mapping, listing, and testing both paper-based and electronic questionnaire formats to ensure the highest data quality and reliability. While survey designs and technical planning are essential, officials underscore that the success of MICS-7 hinges on the full cooperation of the over 3,000 households randomly selected to participate.
The scope of this upcoming round has been significantly expanded to cover areas that were previously limited or missing altogether. In this regard, we are pleased to announce the inclusion of new modules this round: attitudes to domestic violence, child functioning, testing of learning outcomes, and parental involvement. Moreover, true to the 2030 agenda's promise to leave no one behind, the MICS will support data disaggregation by age, sex, race, ethnicity, migratory status, disability, and geographic location.
As St. Lucia joins other countries in implementing the 7th round of MICS, the island stands poised to generate international comparable data that will directly inform its social protection strategies and national development goals.